Hello everyone, welcome to the Tech Guy Hub, and today I'll be talking about how to save items on Temu. So if you're a Temu shopper and you're thinking of, saving an item, maybe you found, some item that you want to, save for later purchase, then this particular video is for you. So just select the item that you want to save. So let's say this is the item that I want to save. Tap on the item. Yeah, and scroll down. Okay, so kindly scroll down. Yeah, and you realize the section where the product details is, you realize there is save. Save. So you just tap on the save, and that's it. The item will be saved to your wish list. Yeah. So that's how simple and easy it is. And if you want to see know where the item is now, you can just open the app and tap on the U icon. Tap on the U icon. Okay. Then select wish list. So realizing here wish list. Select wish list. Yeah, and you'll find all the items that you've saved on Temu. Yeah, so that's how easy and simple it is. So if you find this video useful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and also give the video a thumbs up. And I'll be coming up with more Temu tips. So don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video.